Good morning, Ashley. This is Richard at Tameron Honda. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your recent online inquiry on our brand new 2018 Honda Accord. Recently won Motor Trend's Car of the Year. So please give me a call at 205-541-2862 so I can set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I'll be sure to have the car pulled up, ready for you to take it for a spin. Make sure you love everything about it. Make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, my name is Richard, 205-541-2862. And when you come into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.